San Diego Health is laying off 230 employees from across its hospitals and clinics. And tonight there are concerns about patient safety and care.
CBS 8's Alex Cheney has reaction from a laid-off healthcare worker and a hospital union representative.
I spoke to UC San Diego Health former employee today who told me that he was walked out in the middle of his shift. He also said he's worried that the company laying off hundreds of frontline employees will put patients at an unnecessary risk.
So I come in at 7. The meeting was at 11 o'clock.
Randall Turner was one of the layoffs at UCSD Health on Monday. He says he got just 6 minutes notice before a meeting where he learned he was being laid off.
Handed me the paper as they're talking about, hey, unfortunately we're laying you off, et cetera, et cetera. Here's your paperwork. Let me gather my things, and then they escorted me out.
Turner says the layoffs and ongoing hiring freeze could hurt both patients and the community.
They come in here thinking that, hey, I'm coming to, as advertised, the #1 hospital. I'm assuming I'm going to be getting some of the best care, but on the background, you've got a nurse who is struggling because they have the ratio to them is way too high.
According to the union, the layoffs are in the pharmacy, clinical lab scientists, and clinical social workers. Some employees were asked to leave mid-shift. UCSD is already facing a staffing shortage, and union leaders warn these cuts could increase the risk of diagnostic errors.
If UC continues to, pretend that the staffing crisis isn't an issue and continue to lay people off, then that's really going to be a negative impact to the community.
In a statement, UC San Diego Health said that they made the difficult decision to lay off 1.5% of their workforce, and said in part the decision was made solely in response to mounting financial pressures caused by federal impacts to healthcare, regulatory uncertainty, and rising costs of providing care.
I think we all are feeling right now for our colleagues who lost their jobs yesterday, but we're also feeling for our patients because we don't want them to suffer. We want to be able to provide excellent healthcare to our community.
The union is now calling for the immediate reinstatement of all of the laid off employees and to stop any further reductions of staffing. I'm Alex Cheney, CBS 8.